A triangle has sides measuring 13 centimeters, 13 centimeter and 10 centimeter. A second triangle is drawn with sides measuring 13 centimeter, 13 centimeters and x centimeter, where x is a whole number other than 10. If the two triangles have equal areas, what is the value of x? So for this question, if we draw the triangle, so it's going to be an isosceles triangle, the first triangle, and we call it A. So this is triangle A, suppose, and so this is 13 and 13, and 10 centimeters the base. So the area of this triangle is equal to another triangle which also has side lengths 13, but obviously the height and base would be different for them to have the same area. So they are 13 and 13, and this is, say, triangle B. So you see, the base is not given, so base is x centimeter. So we have a height, we have to assume this is height. So if h1 was the height of this triangle B and h was the height of this triangle, now this should be the same. Well, the drawing is not correct, but the because the perpendicular bisector should bisects the base, so it should be 5 and 5. So we can say that for a triangle A, height would be, so we can say that for triangle A, so h would be square root of 13 square minus 5 square, and that would be square root of 169 minus 25. That would be square root of 144, and that's 12. So height here for triangle A is 12. So therefore the area of triangle A, so we get area of triangle A would be half times base times height. The base is 10 times height is 12, and that would give you 60. So the, we can write centimeter square. So the area of triangle A is 60 centimeters square. The area of triangle B is also 60 centimeters square, and the height, we can work out the height, you see, by similar logic. So if the base is x, therefore we can say that, you know, h1 in triangle B so h1 would be square root of 13 square minus, so that would be half of the base, so that is x out of 2. So we are considering this triangle, so I haven't named it, but I thought it's self-explanatory kind of. So the base, so then for this triangle we can say height h1 would be 13 square minus x out of 2 whole square, and that would give you 13 square is 169 minus x square out of 4. So that is the height of the triangle. So therefore the area of the triangle B, so I can write area of triangle B would be half times base, which is x, times height, which is square root of 169 minus x squared out of 4. So that's the area. Now that area of the two triangles are equal, so we can write since area of two triangles are equal, therefore right here, therefore half x times the square root of 169 minus x squared out of 4 would equal 60. Or we can write x times square root of 169 minus x squared out of 4 equals 120. So we can also write x times square root of, if we square both sides, squaring both sides should work, we would get x squared times 169 minus x squared out of 4 equals 120 square, and that would give you 144,000. Now this would, if we were to multiply throughout with 4, we would get, so if this whole thing is multiplied by 4 and the right hand side is also multiplied by 4, we will get, so we multiply 4 times 169, so that is 36, 676 x squared and minus x to the power 4 equals 144 times 4, so 576,000. So we can rewrite this as x to the power 4 minus 676 x squared plus 576,000 or 57,600 equals 0. So now this equation, we can factorize it. We can factorize it, and we can get the values of x squared, and then we have to find the square root of that, and that would give us the value of x. So let's take this bit off, it's not needed. So we get x4 minus 676 x squared plus, so we can write this as, you see, 676 is 576 plus 100 would give you 676. So we get 576 like multiplied by 100 gives you 576,000. So 576 plus 100 is 676. So we can write x to the power 4 minus 576 x squared minus 100 x squared plus 576,000 equals 0. So we write x squared times x squared minus 576 minus 100 times x squared minus 576 equals 0, and that gives us x squared minus 100 times x squared minus 576 equals 0. So now if we take x squared minus 100 is 0, this would give us x equals 10. So if this would give us x equals 10, but we've been told that x is a whole number other than 10. So we can't use this value. It would mean x square minus 576 is 0. And if x square minus 576 is 0, that would imply x squared is 576, which means that would imply x is 24. Are we wrong? I don't think so. 24 is 24. So that would mean the value of x is 24. So the value of x is 24. And that is the answer.